Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a slime. If you watch my video sand clay, this is it. The sand clay. Do you remember what it is? This is sand clay. And I'm gonna show you how to make the slime. Please, I don't want to be failed. All you're needing is a bowl and something to mix, toothpaste, any kind of toothpaste, and salt. Now you need to stir the toothpaste. This is all 2 ingredient slime. First, I'm stirring the toothpaste. Then you need to add a little bit of salt like this. You can see it's like forming. Then add the salt again in the slime. I don't think it's forming. Then add your salt. You're adding your salt super fast. You don't know there is. Then freeze it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna freeze just so it. So guys, I'm back. So we're waiting for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So guys, I'm just speaking in English because you can't understand Tagalog. The truth is, I am a Filipino, and Filipino is in Philippines. If you are in New York, like that, Australia, like that, America, you know guys, I'm in Philippines. All here is good person. So let's play with our sand clay. This is our sand clay. Holding it up, holding it, super. Holding it. So now let's get the base. This is our slime. Guys, see here our slimes. Beautiful, it's ready. Please, Lord. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. sorry it's filled. Wait, I have another idea. Let's add our sand clay in the slime. Now this. Add the toothpaste in the sand clay. Yes? Later. Okay. I'm just making my YouTube video. Now let's see. That is finished yet. I need to add it. Fix it. And see, it's gone, but there's more in it. Oh, look at this. Wait. Here we go. This is for me. Oh guys, it's for me. It's for me. So it's just a little sticky. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god! It's the remission! It's the remission! I know, guys. Okay. I think I am failed, but I'm adding more salt in it. And now it smells so great, and so this is it's for okay. To be perfect, let's add the sand clay and the toothpaste, or I'm sorry, the slime in in many minutes. In any minutes. Just wait, please. So guys, do you want to add part 2 of how to make slime? Perfect or failed? Slime. Do you want to make me a part 2 or let's proceed? Okay, you just proceed. Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you something. It's adorable. Something is awful. You know guys, I want to have many subscribers, but I don't have any subscribers. Just no subscribers, even they watch this. But it's okay. Still, I'm making my video. In the subscriber, if you subscribe this, thank you very much. Okay. I'm making many subscribers. Stop. And now, let's count in 50 or 100, like that. Okay, now, I'm counting in 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in. I'm sorry. Okay, let's just read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I don't think so. I can count. Guys, my name is Ashton Jalisika Person. I live in Marinduque, Pasarla. I live in Philippines, and I'm 9 years old. My birthday is July 24, 2008. I'm now turning to 10 years old. Don't forget to watch my party. Don't forget to watch my party. Okay. It's just a secret. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. Something you will amaze. My parents. Oh, shush it. Shush, dog. Shush, dog. Can I tell you something? My parents don't know that I'm making this picture. So, guys, help me. Help me. I have a second. You don't need to help me, and there's nothing. I just speak in English. I just know a little English. I don't know what's the English of nothing. Nothing, just nothing. Did you know magandang araw? That's Tagalog, and this means beautiful morning or beautiful day. That. And if you're saying good morning in Tagalog, magandang araw. And if something tell you mahal kita, say I love you. So guys, let's get the song on free. Let's see. Just wait a little bit. Second. Guys, I can miss my name's fail. I'm always failed. In my decision, I have failed forever. This is my sign. Now let's turn. It's turning not. It's just turning to the squid liquid. Ugh. I just missed my son. So guys, I just missed my son. So guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share. Of course, you will subscribe, and comment down below if you like my picture. Bye. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. 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 Bye.